In this quick lesson, we're going to take a look at making AppleCard payments. AppleCard is Apple's credit card offering that comes as a physical credit card made out of titanium, but is mainly focused on being used as part of Apple Pay on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Once approved for an Apple Card, it will exist inside the Wallet app on your iPhone. For me, the biggest plus of using the Apple Card is the transparency. Every transaction, payment, due date, and possible interest charge is made very clear right here in the Wallet app. Let's start down here at the bottom. Like pretty much every other credit card out there, using it will get you some percent off or points for any purchase. For Apple Card, it's 3% off anything you purchase through Apple. This could be a $3,000 Mac or your 99-cent per month iCloud storage fee. Currently, we also have promotions for 3% off at Panera and Exxon Mobil gas stations. Anytime you use Apple Pay on your iPhone or watch, that purchase made on an Apple Card will get 2% back. These discounts come back in the form of Apple Cash, which also appears in the Wallet app. We can use Apple Cash to make Apple Pay purchases, send cash to friends, or transfer the money to your bank account. Scroll down here and every transaction is listed, as well as how much of that was returned as Apple Cash. What I really want to focus on here is making an Apple Card payment. I have about a $300 balance, and that payment is due today. So in here is where Apple Card really blows away most other cards. It lets me know right away what I need to pay to avoid any interest charges. Tap and drag on this dial and it'll show me the exact interest charge that will be paid if I don't make that full payment. Of course, I can also increase the payment if I like. I'm going to stick with this no interest basic payment, then tap Pay Now. Notice that I can pay this using my bank account or the Apple Cash balance. I'm going to stick with my bank account and then double click on the side button to pay. I get an alert right away letting me know that the payment was applied. So that's a quick look at how easy and transparent viewing your balance, transaction history, and especially making payments is with an Apple Card in the iPhone Wallet app. You can apply for an Apple Card from within the Wallet app on your iPhone. Learn more about using your iPhone, iPad, and Mac at themacu.com. Thanks for watching.